Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and if you're looking for active noise headphones that are super compact to travel with, well, you're going to want to watch this video. This is EBPMAN Tech Reviews, and today we're taking a look at the Microsoft Surface 2 headphones with active noise canceling, call quality, and a whole bunch more features. Let's check them out. Now in this video, we're going to take a look at the Microsoft Surface 2 headphones. We're going to do an EBPMAN style call quality test. We're also going to check out the audio quality, active noise canceling, and transparency mode. All of these features you're going to be able to hear yourself, so make sure you have your headphones or your earbuds because you'll want to check out the audio quality, call quality, as well as the transparency mode features. So let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, before taking a closer look at the headphones themselves, let's talk about the specs, starting with the battery life. So from a battery life perspective, you're looking at 20 hours worth of usage, and if you do run out of power, 5 minutes is going to give you 1 hour more. Now, one of the things that caught me by surprise is the version of Bluetooth. We're looking at Bluetooth 4.1 and not Bluetooth 5.0. But at first, while I was really going to be disappointed with this, one of the things that I really enjoyed is the fact that these do support both multi-pairing and multi-point technology, which a lot of headphones today surprisingly don't support. We're talking about being able to listen to music, maybe on a tablet, and then also have your phone connected. And if you do get a phone call coming in, it will automatically switch without you having to disconnect one device from the other. So you have true multi-pairing, which a lot of devices, even higher end ones, don't have. Now, from an active noise canceling and passive noise canceling, they do a really decent job. So you have 13 levels of active noise canceling. However, as we do the active noise canceling test that you'll see later in the video, you'll really see that even though they promote 13 levels, I only actually experienced 3. So it has a medium, a low, and a high. So maybe there are levels in between those as you're turning the dial, but I only saw 3 in my experience. Again, maybe it's the dial effect that gives you those 13. Now, from a mic perspective, you have 2 mics that are going to assist with call quality and also ambient noise so that you can hear what's going on around you. Now, from a compatibility perspective, you can use these either on Mac devices, Android devices, or any other device that can support Bluetooth connectivity. Now, taking a look at the headphones in the case, I have to say that the case itself is one of the most thinnest cases I've seen to date. It is going to be fantastic for traveling. Notice how thin this case is, which means it's not going to take up a lot of space in your backpack, briefcase, purse, or travel bag. It also is made out of a crush-proof material and has a little loop here where you can actually hook it on the back or the outside of your bag. Now, as we open up the case itself, you'll notice that you have here your micro USB charging port cable. You also have your aux cable, and then you have the headphones. So the headphones rest nicely. They're going to be flat in this position, and then when you need to use them, you'll just flip them up like this. Now, the headphone itself, you'll notice it's very flexible. It doesn't create any kind of vicing on your head. Has memory foam material here that's going to make it really soft and lightweight, and it's really cool, cool to the touch. I have not experienced, even with these earpieces here that are really nicely made, I haven't experienced any kind of overheating, either by the headband or when my ears are inside of the earpieces themselves. Memory foam is nice and it's cool, and again, super duper comfortable to wear. Now, on the outside, there's a couple things that are really discreet and simple. One of the best things I think about this is the actual controls. You have these dials that allow you to increase and decrease active noise canceling. So as you turn it in one direction, it turns on active noise canceling. As you turn it on the other, it turns it off. It goes to ambient mode, and then it does ambient mode boost. You also have your volume controls on this side, and as you turn it, it increases and decreases. You have tap gestures as well, so you can tap, double tap, and there's other controls that you'll be able to use to be able to either move music forward, answer phone calls, and hang up from phone calls. You have a series of controls here, just a few of them right here. You have a power button, you have a mute button, you have, again, your aux cable here, and then you have your USB-C connector. So really, really flexible, and if you were curious as to what these look like on, let me make sure I have them in the right position. This is what they would look like on. Right, you can see they cover nicely both sides, and they're very comfortable to wear. Now, from an audio quality perspective, we're going to have an audio test that you're going to be able to hear what I hear when using these. But I'll share with you that from a bass, mids, and highs, they're all present. You also have an equalizer where you can adjust these. Soundstage is good. It's actually really good because of the active noise canceling and the passive noise canceling that you get from these. And the volume is okay as well. If you're looking for something that has really, really deep bass, I don't find that they have high-performing bass. They're not like the Sony XM3s, but they do have, again, basses present. Now, from an audio perspective, you're going to be able to judge overall audio experience in the next test. Now, next we're going to do a call quality test of the Microsoft Surface 2 headphones in a quiet environment. If we take a look at our decibel readings, looking at anywhere from 20 to 24 decibels in noise. Let's go ahead and switch. Now, this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call in a quiet environment with the Microsoft Surface 2 headphones. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. This is the call quality of the Microsoft Surface 2 headphones in a quiet environment. Let's move on to a noisy environment. Now we're doing a call quality test of the Microsoft Surface 2 in a noisy environment. If you take a look at our decibel readings, you're looking at anywhere from 40 all the way up to 80 decibels in noise. What we're going to do next is we're going to stay quiet right immediately after we switch to the headphones so you can hear how much of this ambient noise is being canceled, and then we'll do the vocal test. Let's go ahead and switch. Now this is a call quality test of the Microsoft Surface 2 in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. This is what the Microsoft Surface 2 sound like. I'm taking a phone call in a noisy environment. All right, so next we're going to test the ambient noise, active noise, and also the 3 settings when you go through active noise in a noisy environment. So we're looking at anywhere from 40 to 80 decibels in noise, and we're going to start cycling through. So you'll see right here on the app how it's going through all the settings. Let's go ahead and start. There you have it. That is the active noise, ambient noise, as well as the ambient noise boost. Now next we're going to test the audio quality of the Microsoft Surface Headphones 2. So make sure that you put on some earbuds or some headphones so you can hear the overall audio quality. Let's get right to it.
Killing time, Friday night. Found a photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language.
So guys, that wraps up our review of the Microsoft Surface 2 headphones.